In this tutorial, you'll learn how to do a basic reference search in SciFinder-n and how to filter and save your results. Once you've logged into SciFinder, you'll land on the search homepage. Make sure References is selected under the Searching For menu on the left if you're looking for articles and other literature rather than substances or reactions. SciFinder is really good at natural language searching, which means you can put in whole phrases, similar to how you would in Google, and it'll identify the main ideas of your topic. You don't necessarily need to combine your terms with and or add synonyms with or like you would in other library databases. Note that you can build out an advanced search by adding more fields, but you can also refine your results from the search results page. Let's do a search for reducing arsenic content in rice. Note that the results are automatically sorted by relevance and that only the most relevant results have been returned, rather than the entire results set that matches any of my terms. But with 52,000 results, this should give me plenty to work with. I can also sort my results by times cited if I want to find the most cited papers on my topic, but notice that at least with this search, the top results aren't so relevant. Looking at my filters on the left, I can further refine my results. Maybe I want to start my search by limiting to review articles, or for now, I'll select both journal and review articles. I could also limit by language, since for this topic there are unsurprisingly a lot of articles in Chinese and Japanese. And feel free to try out the other filters like publication year and concept. I can also search within my results to narrow them, for example, searching for results that contain the word basmati. If I ended up with a really helpful search and I want to save it to come back to later, I'll click the Save and Alert button in the top right. I can find it again later from the very top menu bar with the little bell icon. I can also see search history under the clock icon, but this doesn't save my filters. Under the saved results, click Rerun Search to get back to your results at another time. For more help with SciFinder-n, visit our SciFinder research guide.